I see a person walking towards me.
Yeah, there's a river up here. It's got dead bodies in it, but apparently it's still clean.
Oh, it's the lady with 3 legs.
Ooh, she's coming back, huh?
No, she's walking away, actually. Excuse me, do you know where the restrooms are?
But yeah, there's clean water up here if you need it.
Can I, like... Oh, I hit her. I don't know.
She's got 3 legs.
She disappeared. I don't know where she went.
Oh, I see 3-legged lady over there.
Oh. I tried to kill her, but the game didn't let me. Hiya! Oh.
Why is she so fast?
She broke my ankles right there.
Come back.
Here's 3-legged lady again. What does she want?
She wants to talk about our Lord and Savior.
I killed her. And then I revived her. Wait, what? Is she supposed to be...
Now she's dead.
Oh.
She's dead now.
Make sure. Okay.
Hashtag fake body.
Oysters.